Welcome back, creators. Today, you're about to unlock one of the most game-changing free AI tools available right now. And yes, this is completely watermark free. I'm talking about Meta AI, the platform that's letting anyone create stunning images, immersive videos, and animate them with just a few clicks. And here's the big reveal. Meta AI officially uses the Midjourney model for its image generation. So the quality you get is absolutely top-notch, detailed, and artistically beautiful. No speculation here, this is confirmed, and the results speak for themselves. The moment you land on the Meta AI homepage, you're greeted by a vibrant showcase of trending, funny, and visually striking creations made by users worldwide. This gallery immediately tells you just how powerful and creative Meta AI has become. When you log in, an informative pop-up welcomes you, saying, "Create vibes, immersive AI videos with the latest editing and generation tools to bring ideas to life. Discover and get inspired by vibes from people and AIs, then remix them with your own ideas." The feed will only feature videos. We've moved your publicly shared posts to history, and they're now only visible to you. It's all about creativity, remixing, and sharing ideas in a space designed for freedom and exploration. Diving into the creation process, you'll see just how easy it is to get started. After you sign up, you're greeted with a simple prompt box for image generation backed by Midjourney. This means you can expect beautiful, complete images every single time. Now, check out the next level controls. Clicking the plus icon in the prompt area lets you add media, create from scratch, or use a canvas. Heading into Create, you'll find the choice between image and video output. Orientation options include 1:1, 9:16, and 16:9 ratios, a feature usually locked behind paywalls elsewhere. It's wild that Meta AI offers these for free to everyone. But that's not all. The aesthetics tab is where the real magic happens. Variety, weirdness, stylization, and style seed sliders give you granular, creative power over every aspect of your output. Fine-tune your style for exactly the vision you want. If you ever get stuck, the help docs are comprehensive, and I'll link those for anyone who wants to master prompting on Meta AI. Let's talk about output quality. Every prompt generates a set of 4 images. The visuals are stunning. No weird hands, no missing faces. Just rich, detailed, and vibrant art that rivals even expensive platforms. That's because Meta AI runs on the trusted Midjourney backbone, ensuring every output is a masterpiece. Naturally, the next step is animation. Just select your favorite image, click Animate, and watch Meta AI smoothly breathe life into your creation. There's also an option for custom animation prompts, so your videos move exactly how you imagine. I tested both. The regular animation delivers smooth results, while custom prompts let me get creative with unique motion or even little details like a nose pin, all without sacrificing visual fidelity. And here's the coolest part on top of animations, Meta AI offers lip syncing. This lets you match your image or video faces with trending music or any audio from a huge library, making your content dynamic, engaging, and ready to go viral. With a couple of taps, you can dub, sync, and adapt your visuals for any language or trend. This bold move puts Meta AI ahead of other platforms, all while still being free. Now let's dive into a feature that will blow your mind even further: the all-new Restyle for videos. Meta AI now lets you transform the entire vibe of your video in just a click. Restyle options include clouds, cyberpunk, video game, space cadet, western, superhero, puffy, robot, 90s hip-hop, floral suit, newsroom, field, jungle, snow, Hawaii, starship, and more. For creators with a fun streak, there are hilarious styles like skeleton, clown, octopus, googly eyes, blobby, jelly, and even more. Only a few months ago, features this advanced were ridiculously costly on other platforms. Today, Meta AI is giving you all this for free, lowering the barrier for every creator. What's truly remarkable is just how user-friendly Meta AI is. There are no usage limits announced yet, and unlike any paid tool, you get complete freedom. No watermarks, professional quality, endless opportunities. You could scroll the homepage all day, seeing jaw-dropping creations in every conceivable style. Meta AI is quietly changing the game. It's not just a platform, it's a launchpad for your best ideas, a growing community, and a future-proof toolkit for digital creators. All this advanced technology, completely free, with nothing holding you back. And there's even more coming. I've found a tool that's even wilder than Meta AI, and it's also free and watermark free. If you want my next level reveal, smash that like button, share this video, and comment part 2 to get access to the next mind-blowing tech. Join the future of content creation with Meta AI, the most powerful, accessible, and creator-friendly AI engine anywhere right now. Don't wait, start now, and stay tuned for even bigger reveals.